Hey, I'm Miriam from Dorman Products, and this is our quick quiz for the day to keep you sharp for the ASE exams. Here's today's question. Pause the video, and when you have your answer, hit play again and we'll run through the reasoning. Piston slap is independent of load, so no matter what, if your engine is on and you've got a piston slap issue, you're going to have a piston slap issue. But as far as worn big end bearings go, that is directly related to load. So if you were to do a power balance test and remove the load from that cylinder, your noise is going to go away as well. So that means that Tech A is the only one who is correct. Thanks for taking our one question quiz.